Hey everybody, welcome back to Half Done Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you this box and how I build it. It's a power box that I use when I go ice fishing. I can run lights, charge my phone, have a little glow cup here. Something like this could be used for ice fishing. That's what I use it for. Camping in your trailer, driving down the road to charge things up for days. So let's jump into it, see what we got here. Alright, so the outside of it here, we have our switch panel up here, a glow cup, some underglow lights, something that would go on like a razor, and then this here is our charging port. Alright, so what we got on the inside here is a Life P04 battery here. I did take some of the foam from the inside that was in this box originally. This is a box from Harbor Freight, and I kind of fit it to go around it. This battery I did 3D print a little battery tray that it sits in. Not necessarily a must. I have a 3D printer, so it works out good for me. And then I just use these Velcro straps to hold it in place. Alright, right down here I put some USB ports in. That runs my LED lights that go up here to my glow cup right here. But that's the only thing I run off of that one. I could run more if I wanted to. I just haven't really needed it. I know that the wiring in that looks kind of like a mess. You could definitely clean it up a little bit better than I have. It was kind of a quick and dirty build. Alright, so on the outside of the box here, we have our main power there. I know this is flashing for you, but that's a voltmeter. Then we have this switch. It turns on our glow cup there. We have our forward cabin lights, which turn on all of the outside lights. I have two mounted on the front and one on each side. I don't have any on the back there. And then this turns on just a cigarette lighter type port. And then this will turn on our USB lights. Alright, so when I'm out ice camping, I bought these little lights here. They have a hook on the back that I can hang from the roof of my tent. A USB cord that I run down to this box. And it seems to light up the tent really nice. Alright, so you can see that just runs out. The other thing that I have in the ice tent is I have a green glow light that I'll drop down the ice hole to try to help attract fish. It's this here. I drop it down the hole, just connect that straight to the battery and it glows. Alright guys, so with this box, I've ran this using lights. I run two of these lights off of it. I've ran my glow light off of it, and I've been able to charge mine and my wife's phone up for about 3 days while we were on the Burbot Bash. It never did drop below 12.8 volts. How long it'll last, I don't know. It'd be awesome if you were doing a lot of tent camping, or if you're going off the grid, even in your camper. That way you don't have to run a generator or something like that. You can always charge up your phone, run a few lights. When I built this box, I siliconed around everything to try to help keep it as waterproof as possible. That way when we're going out in a snowstorm, if it drops in the slush, it's not a huge deal. It works out awesome. I'll put a link in the description to everything I used. But hey, thanks for watching. If you like this, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We're going to be doing more awesome builds like this. I'm going to be building a box to run my diesel heater off of with two bigger batteries in it. So stick around, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.